Okay, another good morning from my side here. A different compilation with now still shot pictures mostly in here from my SkyTrain ride I did yesterday afternoon on October 19th, or no, pardon me, October 20th in 2025. So yeah, just in the afternoon, about 3 to 4 p.m. I was just riding down the New West and sightseeing a little bit. So on the Southern Railway too afterwards, and the intermodal yards I filmed with my camera. So it's on video, but they'll be upcoming a bit later. So I just want to make a compilation of my pictures there